We cannot be different on Monday. Matthew 7:21 to 27. Law of the garbage truck. 20 years ago, while riding in a New York City taxi, David J. Polley, a columnist and motivational speaker, narrowly escaped a life-threatening car crash. The driver who almost caused the accident started yelling at the cab driver, who remarkably just smiled, waved, and wished him well. Polley asked how the cabbie could remain so calm. The taxi driver explained, "Many people are like garbage trucks. They run around full of garbage, full of frustration, full of anger, and full of disappointment. As their garbage piles up, they look for a place to dump it. And if you let them, they'll dump it on you. So when someone wants to dump on you, don't take it personally. Just smile, wave, wish them well, and move on." The taxi driver's response sparked the defining principle of the law of the garbage truck. How often does a bad driver, impolite waiter, rude boss, or an insensitive relative ruin your way with a thoughtless action, an angry rant, or a snide remark? And how often have you ruined someone else's day? Polley shows us how to apply his law of garbage truck in our lives. Avoid getting dumped on by rude, thoughtless, and angry people. Stop reliving the negative in your past and fearing the future. Focus on what you can control, not the negative things you cannot. Reduce incivility wherever you find it, and stop bullies in their tracks. Improve your relationships by not dumping on your friends, parents, spouse, or co-workers. Find happiness again after dealing with illness, loss, and personal tragedy. Increase productivity, respect, and cooperation by creating a no garbage truck zone at your workplace, school or college, office, and home. Gain the courage to enjoy every day. Do what you love and make a difference. Dear friends, Christ did not call us to be His fans, but to be His followers. Not just to mouth something, but mean something. Not just to say it, but to show it. Are you manifesting the gospel in your public and personal life? Words are cheap if they are not followed up with actions. Wish you all a very blessed day ahead. God bless.